are you? Today I want to share with you a very refreshing, delicious lemonade. This lemonade, it's made out of strawberry papaya lemonade. I know you guys are going to love it and enjoy it, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, strawberries, limes or lemons. Of course, they are organic from my garden. I have a papaya that is organic from my garden. I have water and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious strawberry papaya lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. In this saucepan, I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm adding half a cup of water, and let's go to the stove. It really doesn't take too long. As you could see the granulated sugar on the bottom of the saucepan. A minute later, the water gets a little cloudy. That means that the sugar is dissolving. And another minute, and you know something? The water is nice and clear. This is when you know your simple syrup is ready. That's why I love making my simple syrup at home. So I use less sugar. And now I am ready. I have my organic papaya from my garden, and I'm going to go ahead and start taking the skin completely off. And I like to start with the edges so it doesn't run from one side to another. And I'm really taking my time because I don't want to throw away any of the pulp. I'm only getting the skin completely off out of this delicious papaya. But you know something? These papayas, the only thing bad about them is that they don't have any seeds. And I love planting my seeds so I could get the new trees the following year. And this one doesn't have any seeds at all. These are my organic lemons or limes. And I'm going to go ahead and slice them and get all the delicious juice. These lemons don't have any seeds either. With the lemons, it's great because I don't have to put it through a sifter. I'm just going to go ahead, slowly take my time and get all the delicious juice out of these lemons. One by one until I am completely done. Usually out of 6 lemons, I get about 1 cup of lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside. I have my NutriBullet cup here. I'm adding the strawberries and I'm adding the papaya. You know something? This cup, this blender, I only use it for my lemonades. I don't want to make any salsas, and then when I make a lemonade, I'll have a kick in the lemonade. Of course not. I don't want that. I love hot salsas, but I don't want a kick on my lemonades. And now here, we're just going to go ahead and blend it for a couple minutes. Okay, this is completely done. And now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a glass cup where I am going to incorporate the rest of the ingredients. And of course, I'm going to add just a little splash of water on that cup so I could obtain the most juice that I can. So now I'm ready to add the lemon juice. I am ready to go ahead and add the simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. And usually I don't use all the simple syrup. I just use less than half. And now I'm just adding the little pinch of salt. Remember that the salt is to bring those flavors up of your fruit. Okay, this is amazing. I don't need to add anything else. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. I was almost forgetting that I want to add the strawberry extract. If you don't have it, that's fine. The water still is going to be delicious and refreshing. I just like to add just a little bit. And as you could tell right now, once I start stirring, the color will change. the flavor will be more intense of the strawberry. While this is done, I want to show you how it looks. How is the texture? What is the color? I don't know if, but on the video you could see the color is really bright red. It looks amazing, and I'm sure that I'm really going to love this lemonade. I have my pitcher here. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding enough ice. I want this water to be cold, refreshing. I really want to enjoy it. Well, now I'm adding the juice in here. And you know something? I can't wait to enjoy this delicious water. It is hot out here. And why go and buy soda drinks, soft drinks, when you could make a delicious lemonade at home? You have fruits at home. Just go ahead, take your time. Make these delicious lemonades at home. They come out amazing. And now I'm adding a little bit of little pieces of the papaya for garnishing on the top. And of course, I'm going to add little pieces of the strawberry. You know something? When you're drinking this delicious water and you go ahead and you eat these little pieces, they taste amazing. Give it a try, my friends. Enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious strawberry papaya lemonade. This strawberry papaya lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. Here in California it's really hot, and this is a perfect and refreshing lemonade made at home. Well, you know, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. And the little pieces of the papaya and strawberry, you know, when you drink the water and you feel those little pieces, they're just amazing. Perfect lemonade. The combination of the papaya and strawberry is just amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family in this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious strawberry papaya lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.